Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. So in this video I'll tell you how to fix my iPhone won't connect to the internet. You are trying to use Safari on your iPhone but it is not connected to the internet. No matter what you do, you can't browse the web. In this video I will explain how to diagnose and fix the problem when your iPhone won't connect to the internet. But first, subscribe to my channel for more upcoming videos and hit the like button. So let's start the video without wasting any time. So the first step is restart your iPhone. The first thing to try when your iPhone won't connect to the internet is a simple restart. Turning your iPhone off and back on allows all its program to shut down and start naturally, potentially fixing a minor software issue. For this, press and quickly release the volume up button and do the same with the down button and press the power button, and then slide to power off, and after some time press the power button until you see the Apple logo on your home screen and you are done. And the next step is turn your Wi-Fi off and back on. The first thing to do when your iPhone won't connect to the internet is to quickly turn Wi-Fi off and back on. This gives your iPhone a second chance to connect your Wi-Fi network, which could resolve a minor software problem. For this, open the settings app and then tap on Wi-Fi. Next, tap the switch next to Wi-Fi at the top of the menu and then wait for a few seconds and then toggle Wi-Fi on again and then connect it to your internet and you are done. And the next step is forget the Wi-Fi network on your iPhone. Sometimes forgetting your Wi-Fi network on your iPhone and setting it up like new can fix connectivity issue. When you connect your iPhones to a Wi-Fi network for the first time, it saves information about that network and how to connect to it. For this, open the settings app and then tap on Wi-Fi and then tap on eye icon next to your connected Wi-Fi network. Scroll down. Here you can see the option of forget this network. Tap on it and then tap on forget again to confirm, and after that connect it to your network again and enter its password and you are done. And the next step is restart your router. Sometimes the internet is not working because of the issue of your Wi-Fi router, not your iPhone. You may need to restart your router. And the next step is check your VPN configuration. It's possible an issue with your VPN is preventing your iPhone from connecting to the internet. Try turning off your VPN in settings. For this, go to settings and then tap on VPN. Next, turn on the switch next to status. You will know your VPN is off when it says not connected, and then try connecting to the internet now that your VPN is off. If it works, there is probably an issue with your VPN and you are done. If your iPhone still won't connect to the internet after all these steps, you may have to perform a deeper reset on your iPhone. Before you do, head to settings, scroll down and then tap on general and then tap on software update. Wait until the page is loading. See if there is any update available, then tap on update now and update the latest version of iOS. Apple regularly releases iOS updates to fix minor bugs and problems, one of which could be preventing your iPhone from connecting to the internet, and you are done. And the next step is reset network settings. When you reset network settings, all Wi-Fi, cellular, APN and VPN settings are restored to factory defaults. You will have to reconnect your Bluetooth devices and re-enter your Wi-Fi password after completing these steps. For this, go to settings, scroll down and then tap on general, scroll down to the bottom and then tap on transfer or reset iPhone. Next, tap on reset and then tap on reset network settings. It might ask you to enter your passcode, so enter your passcode and follow the on-screen instruction to reset network settings. When the confirmation pops up appear, your iPhone will shut down, perform the reset and then turn itself on again and you are done. I hope this solution will fix your issue of iPhone won't connect to the internet, and also let us know in the comments below if you have any questions. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.